Hello guys, and in this quick tutorial video, I'll show you how you can add any video as a wallpaper in any Windows version. Well, you can't directly set any video as a wallpaper. Instead, you need a specific application to do that. And so, to download that application, open the Microsoft Store app and in the search box, type Lively Wallpaper. And click on this first option. It's by Rox Danister. Now simply install this application on your computer. This file size is around 411 MB, so it will take some time to download depending on your internet speed. Once it downloads, you can find it on the desktop or you can just search Lively Wallpaper on Windows search box. Well, you can find here some pre-made live wallpapers that you can choose, like this live rain effect wallpaper, which moves a bit wherever you hover your mouse, or this fluid one, which is kind of fun to mess with. Now to add your own video as a live wallpaper, click on this plus add wallpaper option. You can drag your video directly into this area, or you can choose a file from your computer. Now click on OK. Well, it will take some time to load and your wallpaper will be set.